Every fucking time I go out, I need petrol. It's so windy today, Jesus, but look at it, it's fucking beautiful. I actually got my leathers on, I got my one piece, and I'm sliding all over the fucking bike. Jesus. I need to get tank grips. Fucking hell, before I end up on the front of the bike. I could have sworn I put a full tank of juice in this. Never mind. I have a few hours to kill, so I'm gonna go enjoy this nice weather while we have it. But first, petrol, of course. Fuck's sake. But anyway, how's it going, guys? Moto Dragon here again. Ah, fucking hell. Feels nice to be on the bike. So nice. My one piece on just to give it a stretch. I haven't worn it since last year, so if there's a few spiders in it, I'm not even going to be surprised. I want to go to back roads here because they're fun. Oh, boppity bop. It's so funny, this bike with all the torque in and just second gear, just pin the throttle and it lifts up. But I'm gonna go some back roads. I got some twisty roads in while it's nice. I'm not gonna try do anything stupid. Maybe, I don't know. But I was told about a wheelie spot. I'm gonna go to and see if it's still a thing. So apparently this guy used to go to it, and it's not too far from me. But he used to go to it, and he said it was a good little spot. A little bit, could be a little bit hard to get to, but I'm okay with that. I washed my bike and then I put my bike away, and I haven't actually used it in a week. So the brake pads are actually stuck to the rotor and a little bit rusty from where they were stuck, but nothing a bit of braking can't solve. I just don't particularly want to use my back brake, because even though as I said that, I was using my back brake, because I think my back brake's a bit dodgy. It seems to be sticking, so I don't particularly want to use it. But yeah, guys, happy summer. Oh my god, May the 4th be fucking with you. Actually, I forgot about that. It's May the 4th today, so May the 4th be with you. And also with you. That was a bit of church show in there. Well, hey, and I bought a fucking gimbal. Since my last cinematic, I did say I want to buy a gimbal, and I went out the next day and I bought one for my phone. I was trying to get one for both, like phone, GoPro, DSLR, but I couldn't find one that was at a reasonable price. They're all very fucking expensive. All right. I wouldn't go into gear there. When you fuck. Yeah, it feels fucking great. Ah, bug, get off. Feels great to have leathers on, I'm not gonna lie. I love having leathers on. The only thing I hate about the one piece is that they're so awkward. You can't really wee in them. Good luck trying to shit in them. It's a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. When I had my track day last, I had my nervous poos, you know, as you do for very first track day. Didn't want to do anything stupid. Get away, dog. So I had my nervous poos, and not gonna lie, they were very difficult. Really difficult. Somebody's crying, go low. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like no one cares. bouncy castle. Oh, I want to go on. I wonder if they'll let me on it. I wonder how weird it would be if I just rocked them and say, can I have a bounce on the bouncy castle for a few minutes, please? But like with all my gear on. I'd be the coolest kid at that party. This apparently leads to the wheelie spot. Where the fuck is this gonna bring me? Potholes, fucking gravel everywhere. Oh my god. If I need to turn around, I'm fucked. But if this is a wheelie spot, well then it could be quite good. Doesn't seem to be too near houses. There's not many houses. Oh, look at this. Is this what he was on about? Oh, this is it. How the fuck you meant to get over that? I'm getting over that in this bike. Seems like it could be pretty cool, to be honest. Ugh. I'll be fucking doing this every day, to be honest. Oh. Woo! Going off-road, boys. Oh. This is fucking cool, I'm not gonna lie. This goes down so fucking far, holy god. Oh my arse. Wow, that's pretty cool, apart from the glass there. So is this going to hold my weight, or is this going to completely crack? maybe not go that way next. Oh my god, that was tiring, not gonna lie. That killed me a little bit. I couldn't get over the curb there because it was actually hitting the sump. Oh, that's some tiring shit right there. That's kind of cool though. It's just figuring a way into it though. It's the only issue. So that's fucking tricky.